to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some leaked ones that are coming to Prodigy, but before we start I want to give a shout out to First Mate Philip, who found one of these ones. I found the other 4 or 5, I'm not sure how many there are, but yeah, let's get into the video. So the first one looks like this. This is going to be like a remake of one of the ones that's already in the game called the Dragon's Wing. I'll try and find that real quick. It's right up here, yeah, so right here. So this one looks like, or it's going to be a reskin. And then the next one we have is this. We've had it like a bear kind of one that's brown that has been already leaked, but this is a new one. This one I think is a lion. It could be a bear. I'm not 100% sure. But this one looks pretty cool. It has like some angel's wings. I'm not sure when this would come out, but maybe in a member box or something. So then we have a cactus wand, which looks I don't really like it, but that is one of the wands. So it has like, yeah, it's just that. And then this one I put on my community tab, but this is one of the ones. We've already had 2 other leaked variants of this. One of them was like an ice variant, and the other one was an earth variant. This one looks like a fire one. I'm not sure how these are going to be put into the game, but this one looks very, very cool. So this is the final one. It's kind of like a Luminite paw, because it has like the yellow claws, gray fur. So yeah, those are the 5 leaked ones that I found. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and also get there before Prodigy Math Game Player. So bye.